Air Innovations manufactures the most innovative and highest quality humidifiers ever created. Air Innovations introduces the ultrasonic top-fill cool mist humidifier, Model 903XL, tabletop and floor standing humidifier with aroma tray. It has a 2-gallon tank infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, an aromatherapy tray to fill your home with calming fragrance, a permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced, a convenient top-fill tank, a dual directional mist nozzle, an easy-to-use Sense-A-Touch control panel, an auto out-of-water shutoff, and a remote control. The ultrasonic cool mist technology means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and it even runs up to 120 hours on one tank. That's 15 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. That's one of the longest-running humidifiers available for its size on the market today. Here's a look inside. What you are seeing is clean mist technology in action. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter, and the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, sending water to the ultrasonic atomizer to create a plume of cool, refreshing moisture. Because it's so affordable and efficient, you can put one in every room in your home. Air Innovations, the leader in humidification technology.